Okay, so this lesson is on factorising simple expressions. Okay, so I think some of you might be really good at this, and that's okay. And all we're doing is that we're looking for a common factor in each term to factorise out. Now, sometimes the common factor may include numbers and letters, so I mean pronumerals. So have a look at that. Okay, here we're going to go straight to the question. I look at this term, and there's something in common, and probably most of you are shouting it out already. So it's 3, and then I'm going to open the bracket, and I'm going to go 3 times what will give me 3x. It's just x, and then because that's a plus, I'm going to put plus 3 times what will give me 9, 3, and I'm done. Okay, so that's a really easy example of what factorising is. Here, we actually don't have a number that's common, but we do have x, and we don't only have one, we actually have 2 of them. So we're going to pull that out, x squared, and then x squared times what will give me 3x cubed. Well, obviously we need to put the 3 in there, and we need one more x, so we'll put that in. Because it's a plus, I'm going to put plus. Obviously there's no numbers in there, so I need to put that number in 2, and because we're already up to x squared and we've got that there, I can just close the brackets now. Okay. Example number 3. We've actually got 2 things in common. I can see that there's a 4 there, and 8 is a multiple of 4, so I can take out 4, but also there's x's, there's also 2 x's there, 3 x's there, so I can pull out 2 x's. So 4x squared. Now because that's the whole term here, all I need to do is multiply it by 1, okay, and I'll get back to the other one. And then I'm going to go plus 4 times what equals 8? 2. How many more x's do we need? 1 more x, and there's a y randomly there, so I'm going to put that in, and I've factorised it. Okay, so these are pretty straightforward factorizations. I'm just going to quickly look at the next page and see what I have. I've got nothing. I want to bring one more in. So, because I just noticed I didn't include negatives, so I'm going to put another one. So I'm going to go minus 2xa plus, let's go 4a, all right? So what's common here is not only the 2, but also the a. So I'm going to pull that out. Now, one thing that you'll see is that some people might pull out this negative already. So I'm going to do that so you can see. So minus 2, okay, and I need the a as well, because that's common to both. And then all I need to multiply it by to get this whole term is x, because that's not in it. So I'm just going to put x. Okay, and then because that's a plus, what do I need to do? I need to put another minus there, okay, because minus times minus will give me this plus. And then to get to a 4, I just need to times it by 2, and there is a common factor. Now that is a really powerful technique that you can use. Alright, that's all there is for these basic ones. There'll be a second video on difference of squares and other quadratics. Peace out.